welcome back to a brand new vlog. We are starting this vlog off with me struggling to put my hair up because of my cerebral palsy. Now normally it takes me about a minute or longer. Today it took me about 5 minutes to just put my hair up. Okay, so I'm starting this vlog quite late. It's 30 minutes past 1 o'clock, but the main part of this vlog will be part 2 of cleaning my room. Now I don't have to do this because it's like the outside of my room looks clean, except I need to empty my bed. No, empty my bin. Inside my drawers is a different subject. So I've got them drawers there, and then I've got them drawers there. So I've got quite a lot of drawers with quite a lot of stuff in. Well, the desk drawers aren't that bad, like, to be fair. They aren't that bad, they just need tidied up. But most of my drawers have all my decorating, painting and everything like that. And when, like, I still do coasters, I still enjoy it. And I still enjoy painting. I'm not chucking any of my paints away. But I've got too much stuff, creative wise. I don't use most of it. So I'm gonna sort it out, tidy my room. But first, I need to fold up my tops and put them back in my drawer neatly. So let's do that first. Then I'm gonna do my desk drawer. And then I'm going to have lunch. Then we're gonna do that one and the one next to my TV. I also want to say I'm sorry if you're watching me on the TV because I've just saw myself on my TV and I literally look like this on the TV. So I'm trying to keep it as a wide angle without shaking the camera, but as you can see it's not really working. So this is what it looks like when you step back, because I want to start taking photos in this mirror again. I just thought that background would be quite cute. I've just done them with tape. And now I'm going to get some lunch because it is 11 minutes past 2 o'clock. So I forgot to film my lunch, but I'm going to now do the drawers. I'm going to tackle the drawers and see how far I go. It's nearly 10 minutes till 4 o'clock. I would like to be finished at 4:30, but let's see if we do or not. I might just do a couple of days again in my life with this vlog as well. It depends how long it is, because I feel like the last one, let me know in the comments, but I feel like the last one is a bit too long. But I do like seeing people watch it for longer. Like right now the video is at like nearly 8 minutes of like the average viewer watching, and that's the longest time that I've probably got. So it might be simple. If you don't know what I'm on about though, it's my latest video after this before this video went up. It's my latest video and it's doing quite well. So I think I am going to do longer vlogs, but not like near an hour. I'm going to probably do them like for about like 20, 25 or 30 minutes. Not every single vlog's going to be like that, because obviously I have days that I don't do as much, and then I have days that I do loads. So it all depends, but around vlogging, I would like to do it around like 30 minutes or at least over 20 minutes. Because I feel like the more I'm growing, the more people are enjoying my content, or hopefully you're enjoying it. And I'm just getting better and better, I feel like, at doing everything. Also, I'm very aware in this vlog if my face is up close. So if you are watching this on the TV, I'm so sorry. That's all I can say. But let's get to tidying the drawers. So this is my room right now. It's a complete tip. Well, it's mainly like all my crafting stuff. And it is 4 minutes past 4:30. So my goal is to finish this at 5 o'clock now. I'm gonna get it done. So it is officially 2 minutes till 5 o'clock. And this is everything I got. So not everything I got, one more number. That's everything that I'm chucking out. Mainly wood things, because the coasters were really good with these, but I never used these. So I'm just chucking a lot of them. And then just normal rubbish that was in my drawers. But let me show you what they look like now. So this is what it looks like now. This one isn't as like neat, but it's like it's sorted, it's organised. May not look like it, but it is. So that's mainly stickers. Then right at the back I've got like my, again, stickers or like photo stuff. And then we've got this one that has the wooden things. And then this has like cards. Should actually put Christmas cards. And then other stuff that I've not used yet. This is all tissue paper that I haven't chucked out. It's usable. And then these are just all the coasters that I've already made before. But I just didn't want to chuck them out because like it's progress and it's where I started. But yeah, that is my room pretty much cleaned now. Obviously there's always going to be like bits everywhere, but inside the drawers are clean. Because I did the desk drawer, that drawer and that drawer there, so they're all clean now, so that's good. My wardrobe could chuck out some stuff, but most of it's like just general memory Like I've got a massive memory box. I was gonna take it down today, but literally loads of stuff is on top of it as well. So I might do that tomorrow. I don't know. But I will see you tomorrow or at some point later on. So it's the next again day. I'm gonna work out this morning and I need to walk the dog. I'm about to get ready into my gym wear so then I can walk the dog. But I don't know if I really talked about the beginning of the vlog because I haven't edited it yet. But it's not like a massive achievement, but I'm quite happy about it. So far I've lost 4 pounds since starting my weight loss journey. So in 2 months I've lost 4 pounds. Now to some people that might not be a lot. I know it might not normally be a lot, but I think I've said this previously. This is the first time I've like proper tried to lose weight and really work out. So I'm quite proud of that. I want to say my goal weight, but I also don't. So I might talk about it hopefully in the future. Like hopefully it won't be. Hopefully at the end of summer or the end of July, I will get to my goal weight. Hopefully. But for now, I'm still losing weight. I'm going to work out today. Get back to working out after having that hay fever day. That was annoying. I know I said I will do a fashion like what I'm wearing this summer in this video, but I feel like I want to do like another vlog dedicated to that because there was like technically a part 2 of my clean with me. Now let me know in the comments what type of vlogs you want to see because I just lost a load of subscribers last night and I don't know why. And let me know what types of vlogs do you like. Sorry, you're just literally standing on my bed. Well, not standing, like my phone's leaning up. But let me know. But I'm gonna walk the dogs and then work out. And then I need to edit this vlog. So this is like kind of a day in my life. It's half day in my life in the morning. It's 10:30 and I'm gonna get ready. Okay, I'll try and talk. That was probably the hardest run I've done in my lifetime. Near the end, around 5 minutes of running, I only got through halfway of 5 minutes of the last run, and then I did walking but uphill for 10. Did the uphill bit, 10, I don't know what you call it, but it was 10. It was that high. And then I just walked for the rest of it, and then when it got to just the walking bit on the app, I just lowered the hill bit down and walked normally. But I think I'm gonna go back to week 3 for a couple of times first because I'm literally dying. Like it's a good dying, but I think that was too much. So I think I need to go back for a couple more times of the week 3 run. I'm trying to not beat myself up for it because it's like I'm not using this as an excuse, but I need to remember I've got cerebral palsy. Most people on this couch to 5k probably don't have that, and I've also got a heart condition, so it's better to go slower than go as fast as I can. But now I'm gonna stretch because I generally can feel my arms like ache and my legs and everything. I need to get my dad's towel. That's how much I was sweating with the first run of 5 minutes. So it went from 3 minutes to 90, 3 minutes, and then walking for a bit. Can't remember, I think it was 90 seconds. Then 5 minute running, then 2.5 minutes walking, and then 3 minutes running, then 90 seconds walking, and then it was 5 minutes, but I only did half of 5 minutes of running, and then I did something. So I still did well. I'm just beating myself up for it because I didn't do it fully. But yeah, I've decided I'm gonna end this vlog here. But before I end it, I just wanna talk about how I feel and everything. I did the week 4 run 1 on Couch to 5K, and I think it's best to just keep on week 3, or just delete the app and just trying to measure it out myself, because it's like I'm putting pressure on myself of like, no, I need to do it, even though I'm not forgetting, but like I need to remember I've got cerebral palsy, I've got my heart condition, and also I'm short. Like, obviously these are no reasons, these are not excuses for me not being able to run that far, but these are reasons that it might take me longer to build up my fitness than other people. This is what it's like to build up your fitness and trying to lose weight. I just need to not be so hard on myself. But I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and I will see you at some point soon.